It's recording, perfect. All right, and then I'm gonna share my screen. Let's do this one. So guys, we are going to review, there you guys are. Oh no, where'd it go? There it is, okay, cool. So guys, we're gonna review chapter 6. I'm just trying to see like where everybody is at, and see what we remember and what we don't. So what I want you guys to do is if you have a piece of paper and pencil, use it. If not, use the chat box. But I want to see who would actually pass this fake test. Nobody's actually getting graded on it. I'm going to pretend to be a student and take it. So I want to see who would actually pass this and see what we remember. So I'm going to go through it. All right. I think, can I? Also, my computer's very slow today. Don't know why, just is. So I apologize in advance. Alexis, what's wrong? Nothing? Okay. All right, well then I'm going to start, guys. All right. Question 1. Remember, just raise your hand or use the chat box. Question 1. Tell which equation is an estimate for 7 times 16.38. All right. Again, what I want you to be doing, sorry, I shouldn't have said raise your hand. You can put it in the chat box or write it down on a piece of paper. I want to see how many of you would actually pass. And then I'm going to do my best to make sure everybody's honest. So like when this is done, if all of you say you got a 100, then no, erase that, whoever that was, no. At the end, I want to see who actually did good and did not do good, but we will find out. So which equation is an estimate for 7 times 16.38? Question A, they just went ahead and did 17 times 16, 7 plus 16, 10 times 20, 5 times 10. So that's what they did. Hi, welcome, whoever that was. Make sure you're on mute. Okay. Okay. Excuse me. Okay. So go ahead, write down, lock in your answer. Okay. Oh my gosh, make sure we raise our hand. I do not see any raised hands, guys. Demaya.
Okay, so Demetrius said he don't have Miss De La Cruz's code, so he can't get on there.
Can he text her?
He said he already did, but she's not answering.
Okay. Thank you for telling me. I will let her know so he's not marked absent. But
okay.
That's not his fault.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Okay. So guys, I'm still learning this as you guys are, but I wish I could like have you guys do like a fake quiz, but I don't know how to do that right now. And I will figure that out later. But I want you guys to just write down somewhere what you think your answer to question 1 is, an estimate. Remember, an estimate is just taking a number like this usually and either rounding it up or down to a whole number, okay? So, but it's going to be up to you to figure out what you're rounding it to, okay? So, think about it, write down your answer, then we're going to go do it together at the end, okay? All right. Oh, let me erase that. Dum, 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 dum. Okay. All right. Tell which equation is an estimate for 3 times 5.05. So we are trying to figure out, does that go up or down? Right? Is it 3 plus? Is it 3 times? Is it 5 times 5 or 5 times 15? So remember, you can type your answer or write your answer. Writing it would be better but I know some of us don't have paper and pencil, and that's fine. So I want you to write down your answer, okay? Right? Find 0.2 times 3. So it doesn't say estimate, it wants you to actually do it this time, okay? So I remember when I'm doing all this, Jazz, when you're multiplying, if you want, remember there's the lattice method. That's the one that I find the easiest to use, okay? Then you can do it that way and then bring the decimal down, okay? Because that's where the decimal is. And then it'll be one of those, all right? Okay. Go ahead and erase that. How many questions do we have? We have a lot. Okay, maybe we should do this together actually, because that might take a long time. Okay, I'm gonna go back to question 1. Hopefully by Friday I've figured out a way for you guys to be able to do this with me on the screen, but I don't know how. So tell which equation is an estimate for 7 times 16.38. Does anyone want to raise their hand and tell me which one they think it is? Alexis, which one am I going to click?
A.
Said it's A. All right, Alexis said A. Let's keep going. Question 2. Tell which equation is an estimate for 3 times 5.05. Does anybody want to tell me which one they think that is other than Alexis? Niraj.
It's B.
It's B. Okay. All right, we're going down. All right, next one, find 0.2 times 3, right? Again, this helps if you have paper or pencil. We have 0.2 times 3. Agni, what is it?
0.6.
Okay, perfect. I wrote that down. All right, now someone help me figure out 8 times 0.5. So we have 8, 0, 5. Do it like that, if you remember. Philmon.
Is it 40 or 4.5?
What do you think it is?
Didn't mean to leave.
It told you to leave? Right, I see some hands up. Natika?
C.
C. All right, let's click that. Okay, we're gonna keep going. All right, now we have 0.2 times 0.2. Oh no, my screen is lagging. Dun dun dun. Dun dun dun. Philmon, do you want to try again?
हेलो
A.
फेरि के बनाएको छ हौ यो नानीले मोबाइल यो खेला यहाँले
Okay, I think he said C. Guys, I hear a lot of noise. Make sure we are on mute. So Philmon, I think you said C. It's a little laggy. So am I. So that's not all your fault. I'm gonna go with that, and then we'll see what happens at the end. All right. Now we have 0.6 times 0.3. Oh my goodness. My screen doesn't like me. Okay. All right. 0.6 times 0.3. Okay. I think I saw someone post something. Hi, sorry I'm late. You're fine. Yes, Anusha, I am. Kabir.
One point eight.
1.8. Okay. All right. Let's keep going. Am I frozen? Yes. Okay. Now we're at 2.3 times 10. Right. Demaya.
D.
D.
Mhm.
All right. Okay. Oh, wrong one. All right. Now we're on a word problem. Harper rides her bike 2 miles on Monday, 2 miles on, 4 miles on Tuesday, 6 on Wednesday, 8 on Thursday. The pattern continues. How many miles will she ride by the end of Sunday? All right. So first, we need to figure out what the pattern is, and then figure out how many days until Sunday. So we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. We need Friday. So my gosh. I don't like it when it's all laggy. Saturday, Sunday. All right. Okay. I think I saw someone's hand up. Let me double check. Oh God. Philmon, try typing your answer. Okay. Maybe not. Okay, let's see. Oh, I just clicked off. A. Okay, so he says A, so let's click A. Boom. All right. No, no. Right. Next one. Identify the property. Make sure we're not drawing, guys. We're not drawing. Okay. Identify the property. I will be very impressed if someone remembers this. But I also understand that we probably won't remember this, and that's okay too, because there are all these properties. Does anybody remember or want to at least guess? Wow, there's a lot of hands. Portia.
Identity property.
All right, let's click that one. And we'll move on and then we'll find out if we're right later. Okay, next one, we're estimating, guys. All right, so does anyone want to guess which one of these is an estimated version of this? Niraj.
B.
B, okay. Let's keep going. Right. Ooh, maybe not. There we go. All right, we are using a number model to find 2.6 divided by 2. 2.6 divided by 2. Guys, if you remember what a number model is, was when we did those like squares, the skinny ones, and then like the little tiny ones. That's a number model, if you guys remember. So I'm gonna erase that. So, does anybody have an idea of how I do a number model for 2.6? Oh, there's a lot. Okay, Portia, you're close. Anusha, are you answering for this one? Anusha says it's A, so let's go ahead and click A. And then we'll see how that goes. All right. Oh. Okay. This one right here, we are dividing. It just wants us to actually do it, which is 20.4 divided by 6. Okay. Does anybody want to solve that or guess for us before so we can move on? Anybody? Vilmon, can you type your answer? Oh, someone did, I think. Anusha. Whoops. It's okay. Alexis thinks it's 4. Vilmon said 4. 3. All right, remember guys, we're on 12. So I'm assuming you want me to pick D. So I'll pick D. 4.4. I'm gonna keep going. Okay, let's erase. Keep going. All right. Now we're using a model to find 0.8 divided by 0.2. Does anybody know this one or want to try? Alexis says D. Okay, so let's do that and then keep going. Guys, we got 2 more. And then we're going to grade it and then go over it and see which ones we got right and wrong. Okay, right? Next one, 9.72 divided by 1.2. Oh, sorry. You guys do it like this. 1.2. Okay. Oof. All right. Anybody have an idea? Alexis.
It's B.
B. Okay. All right. And then the last one. we have 7.4 divided by 10. Interesting. 7.4 divided by 10. All right. Someone other than Alexis. No offense. Just want to make sure everybody else is at least trying. Film on, type your answer. Oh, Portia typed an answer. Mirage and Film on alt. A lot of people say it's B, so let's go with B. Alex. All right, so we're gonna go with B. A lot of B's. Okay, let's see how we did. We're gonna grade it. Ready? Oh, I can't even see. Okay, I can't see.
7 out of 15 correct.
How come you can see it and I can't?
I can see.
Oh, this is why we raise our hand. This is why we raise our hand. This is why we raise our hand. All right. Okay, let's go find out. Okay. Okay. Question 1, which was an estimate. We got that one right. Okay, good job. I'm gonna go ahead and close this other one because we're not gonna have time for it anyways. So we got the first one right. When you estimate 7 times 16.38, if it is 0.4 or less, let it rest. 0.5 or more, you add one more. So you minus the decimal. But so yeah, so it would just be 16. So good. All right. Boom. Okay, next one, estimate. 5.05 was estimated to 5. Good. This one, we had to actually do it. And if you did it correctly, which obviously we did, 2 times 3 is 6. 0 times 3 is 0. 6, 0, 0. The decimal right here, 0.6. Okay? Because the decimal is here, remember? So it goes woo. All right? So good. You did that one right. All right, let's do this next one. All right, 8 times 0.5. Okay? So I'm going to put my 0.5 up here. Then I'm going to put my 8 on the side. Okay? So 5 times 8, I know, is 40. And then 0 times 8 is 0. My decimal goes straight down right here. Okay? My 0 goes here. My 4 goes here. And then 0 would go there. So 4 point, or sorry, did I put the decimal in the wrong spot? No, I did it right. We said 40. Okay, yeah. So it's 4.0, which equals 4. So that's why it's A. Okay. Mute people. Hi, Lalita. Thank you for joining us. Good. Everybody.
Hi, Lolita.
Make sure we stay on mute, guys. Thank you for saying hi to her, but we got to stay on mute. Okay. Okay. Hi. Glad you're here. Okay. Erase, erase, erase. Dun, 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 dun. No, sorry. All right. Find the product. This one we're also multiplying, okay? So again, with decimals. 0, 2, 0, 2. This one's going to be a big 4. Okay. Okay. The only one that works, since there's all these zeros, is 2 times 2, which is 4. But then 2 times 0, 0 times 0, 2 times 0, all of these are going to be 0. Because 0, is 0 times 0 1 or is that 0? Let me double check. Okay, yeah, it's 0. Okay, that's what I thought. Okay, so it's literally 4 and then 0, 0, 0. Then we have a decimal here and a decimal here, which both meet right there. Okay, which both meet right there. So since there's 2 decimals this time, we're not going to go straight down. We're going to go here. We're going to follow the diagonal. Okay, that's why it's that one and not this one. So if you did it this way, and then you just did this decimal straight down, that's how you get that, or that's how we got the wrong answer, but there's 2 decimals, okay? So 2 decimals have to go down the diagonal, okay? So that's why it was 0, 4, okay? All right, lots of chat box stuff going on. I don't get all of them. That is okay. Guys, if you don't get all of them, that's actually good because then me and Miss Williams know how to help you during your one-on-one. So do not worry. We will be able to help. Okay. All right. Here we have 6 times 0.6 times 0.3. Make sure we're on mute. Okay. All right. So guys, obviously we can do the lattice method again, you know, and then keep doing it like this, and then going down. Or you can just know that 6 times 3 equals 18, and then you just put a 0 in front of it. So, boom. That's why it's that, because 6 times 3 equals 18. In case you didn't know. Hi, make sure we're on mute. Cool. All right. We got this one right. 2.3 times 10 is 23. All right. 2.3 times 10 is 23 because 23 times 10 is 230, but we just move the decimal. So pretty easy, not too hard. Okay. Okay. All right. Homegirl here. 2 miles, then 4, then 6, then 8. The answer is 56. Okay. And then it wants to know how many she rode in total. So this is how it works. It's going up by 2, because look, it's going 2, 4, 6, 8. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And then you have to take all of them and add them. So when you add them, you get 56. Okay? So that's how we got that one. Okay? Okay. All right. Identify the property communicative. Communicative, sorry. I was not expecting you guys to remember these, so do not worry. We, I think, talked about this like for one day right before spring break. So I was not expecting people to actually remember this one. But if you look at them, okay, 5 times 70 times 3, 5 times 3 times 70. So they are the same equation, but different order. Okay? Same equation, different order. All right? No worries, though, at all. Hi. Who said anything? Alexis would have remembered probably. I mean, maybe. I don't know. But again, I'm not like mad because we didn't talk about that much anyways, so don't worry. Okay, let's keep going. Estimate 52.1 divided by 5. All right, they said it's 50 divided by 5 because if you can see, oh no, we got it right. You guys don't need me to show you. 52.1 is very close to 50. Very close. Much closer than 55. Okay, so that's why we got that one right. Use a number model to figure this out. So to like do an actual number model, we would have 2 and then 6 of these like skinny ones. Okay, and then once you divide it in half, which would be this, and then 3 of these. So it would be 1.3. Okay, and then this is also 1.3. So that's why it's that. So good job. We got that one right. Okay. Sorry. This one down here. Dividing 20.4. I know 6 can go into 20 at least 3 times. That gives me 18 minus 2.4. Sorry, 2.4 is left. Bring that down. Okay, so my answer would be 3 with a remainder of 2.4, and the closest one to that is 3.4. Okay, so that's why that one is right. Okay. Okay, 3 more, and then we're done. Just gotta talk about them. Okay. Use a number model again to find these divided. Okay. So this one's different number model wise, because we're dividing instead of multiplying, and our answer is bigger than our small numbers over here. Oh, chat box, what's going on? Yeah, because you answer, I did, but Mr. Hughes. Yes, Demaya, what's up?
Who's the official king?
Film on, I think.
No, it's not.
No, that's not me. That's not me.
Oh, that's Muhammad. Okay. Oh, I can move this now, finally. Woo! Do it, do it. Okay. Woohoo! Okay, sorry. That was from earlier. All right, remember, try not to draw on the screen. Okay. So guys, 0.8 divided by 0.2. When you have something like this, remember, no drawing on the screen. When you have something like this, you can literally cross off the zeros, and then it literally becomes 8 divided by 2, which equals 4. Bam. Okay, so the decimals will cancel each other out in this instance, but only when they're both like that. Like if it was 0.16 divided by 0.8, you cancel those off. 16 divided by 8 equals 2. So just so you guys know, you can only do that if they're both zeros though. Mystery, is this the only thing we're going to do today? Yes. Yep, I wanted to review chapter 6 and see what we knew. And tomorrow we're gonna review chapter 7 and see what we know. So that way, or sorry, Friday. So that way next week I know where we can like actually start. Portia, what's your question?
I forgot what I was gonna say. Hold up.
You're fine.
Oh, why do these have to go on YouTube?
Huh?
Do these have to go on YouTube? The videos that you're making right now. Do these have to go on YouTube?
Yes, because there are a lot of students that still have missed class, like Pooja, Ujal, Jordan. So this way they can still access the videos on YouTube if they cannot Zoom.
Miss Dela Cruz doesn't post them on YouTube.
You said she doesn't?
Yeah, she doesn't post hers on YouTube.
That's fair. I don't know the difference between like English and math. Well, I do, but like I'm assuming she has a different way to catch up students like Ujal and Pooja and Jordan. That doesn't need YouTube because you guys are mostly like writing and reading. I don't know. All I know is that like it's easier to post to YouTube for math so people can like watch and rewind and pause and do that, if that makes sense. And Niraj, I don't know when she'll start YouTube. I think she's waiting to hear back from some of the parents just to make sure the parents are okay with this. Yeah. And then guys, we got you got the last one right. 7.4 divided by 10. Whenever it's divided by 10, you literally just move the decimal over. So good. So you got that right. Okay. And it's a decimal. One of them's a decimal, so we made it smaller. That's why we went this way instead of that way. And then right here, 9.72 and 12, you literally can do like a big number, 972, 12 going into 97, excuse me, however many times, which we already know is 8, in case you didn't know that. And then you can always double check Mr. Hughes, because 12 times 8 is 96. Minus 1, bring down the 12, boom. And then there's a 1, so it'd be 81. And then because there's decimals, we just move the decimal. And that's why it's that. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and exit this out. And boom, we're back. Screen sharing stopped. I'm going to stop the recording.